You might remember this video where my husband helped me transform a bland white wall into a cool studio backdrop, thanks to the IKEA Skådis Pegboard system. Well, we're about to take it to the next level with an easy hack to add backlighting. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen, and this channel is all about making sewing and crafts fun and approachable. The IKEA Skådis is a very popular wall storage solution that has endless ways to customize with tons of accessories. It's also a pretty budget-friendly option. Installation is quick and relatively easy if you have a level and a power drill. Not only is it functional, but it makes for a great backdrop set for videos. I ordered a pack of LED fairy lights off of Amazon and decided I wanted to rig it so they were behind the panels. The lights are battery operated, and all of them have a battery box and an on-off switch, and the wires can be somewhat shaped by hand. Standing on a step stool, I started from the top and dropped each light down behind the panel. This is gonna take a bit. I attached the battery box on top of the panel with a loop of painter's tape. You could use something more permanent, but I like that these can be easily removed. I did lift up the top panel to make sure the wire dropped down to the bottom one, and I spaced the lights out across the panels. And that's literally it. Here's what the pegboard looks like with the backlighting in the dark. Let me know if you have any interesting hacks for your IKEA Skådis. Thanks for watching. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. See you again in the next video, and remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.